Christmas hits differently this year because on December 18th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, we're lighting up the shack live for the biggest event I've ever hosted on this channel. And yes, you are invited. Let's talk about it. All right, folks, mark it down. Thursday, December 18th, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. It is the first HamShackTV Christmas Extravaganza live right here on HamShackTV. This isn't just a hangout stream. This is Ham Radio Christmas Chaos. Real giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, you can see right here my countdown. As of this recording, we are at 9,930 subscribers. That means we only need 70. Boy, it's backwards on your screen. How about this? 70 more subscribers to the 10,000 mark. I believe with anything in me that we're going to hit that 10,000 mark before the live stream on the 18th. So, you all know what that means. If we do hit that number, the 10,000 number, I will give away an ICOM IC7300 right on HamShackTV Live December 18th. Only if we hit 10,000 subscribers before then. There's also going to be some other giveaways. Our panelists, Tortoise Overland, Andy from World Radio League, Super Dave, Meshtastic Dave, all have pledged. We're going to have some giveaways that night, not just the HF rig, but quite a bit more. It's going to be exciting. We might have some special guests drop by, some end-of-year surprises, of course, and of course an interactive chat, and the celebration of a community that's rewriting the rules. You've supported HamShackTV. You've blown up some of my videos. You have pushed us towards 10,000 subscribers. Now it's my turn to give back. Expect holiday stories, ham radio talk, big announcements, HamShackTV news, laughs, probably at my expense. And yes, you must be live to win the giveaway. So you must be here. You must be watching the live stream when we do it to win. That includes the IC7300. Every prize that's up for grabs, you will need to be present to win. So mark your calendars, December 18th, Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, 7 Central, or if you go by UTC, it'll be 01 UTC time. So don't just watch, show up. Let me see you in the chat. Bring your cocoa, your eggnog, your Santa hat, whatever you got. Thursday, December the 18th, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Let's end this year together the same way we built this channel. Loud, passionate, unapologetic, and pushing this hobby forward. I will see you live. Appreciate y'all watching. What a great year this has been on HamShackTV. I am looking forward to what we're going to do in 2026. Some great things on the horizon. Want to shout out Gigaparts. They're helping out with the 10,000 subscriber giveaway for the HF rig. But appreciate them being there to do that. Cannot wait to give that radio away. Again, got to hit 10,000 first. So if you haven't already subscribed, get subscribed. We're going to do a lot more like this down the road. 73s, everybody, Merry Christmas. Live, learn, transmit, and celebrate. 73 AA4 WX, WSCB.